Alright, so we're back from the trip. Now it's time to fix the mess ups. So I got a new window. Gonna try to fit this Dometic one in. We'll have to do some manipulation and figure it out, but it should be doable. And then this came super quick from the UK. So I got a gas cap already. The nice, proper, not going anywhere, stable. I actually forgot to order. I didn't realize I had to order the locking mechanism, so that's also now on the way. But either way, it's on there good. Better than the tape. So yeah, let me just quickly, I'm gonna change the oil really quick and get that taken care of. I'm gonna throw some of this Lucas stuff in there. Just was blowing a little bit of black smoke after I drove in the mountains of Pennsylvania with the e-brake on for a little bit. But so I've been cleaning up the injectors with some additive. I'm gonna add that Lucas stuff to the oil this time, see if that helps anything. It cleared itself up with the injector cleaner, but yeah, just gonna add that in for peace of mind. All right, well, I'm about to start draining it, but while I'm under here, I'll fix this too. My mud flap's coming off. So we'll get to that while this is draining. All right, so they say 20% of your capacity is this. So do the full quart in. I take us, I think 6 quarts. I'll double check. So that'll be good enough for me. And stuff is pretty thick. All right, so now I got to clean all this crap off. Fit this window in. Should be a pretty good fit with some modifications, but I'm excited because it has a little. It's a nice window. Alright, that wasn't easy. So now I gotta get this frame off. To do that though, I think I need to remove this wall because there's little brackets on here that are screwed in that this now clamps into because the fiberglass is so thin and the frame is thick. So I gotta remove the wall, unscrew all those brackets, and then I guess chip away, we'll see. Now this has gotta be glued in somewhere. And I gotta, there's some, I think an L bracket back there I need to remove. I don't know, this is might be a choppy job to get this out. So let's just see what I gotta do. Okay, I got the 2 screws out back there. So I think I gotta remove this trim and get rid of this floor so I can see what down there looks like. And it's tucked in about 1 inch, maybe half an inch behind this cupboard that I'm really proud of. And yeah, so I'm hoping this, I'm not taking all this off, that's too much. So I'm just gonna see if I can wiggle it out. It's not much room, but let me just get this out and see what's next. Well, okay. Yeah, we tore a bunch out. So that was the window that was leaking. I don't know if you saw my other video where I fiberglassed over that. So there was a good bit of rotten wood here, but I'm just gonna try to clean it up. And then the bottom shelf. I don't know if you can see it down there. I might cut a new piece for that. That got pretty rotted. And there's the wall panel next to the thing over there. Yep. So now these are the little brackets I was talking about. If you can see them. Just gotta remove those and try to get this frame out. Well, yeah, we'll do a big cleanup project too. This will be kind of good in a way. Get it all swept up and wiped down and put back together. Yeah, so it's just like a really thick layer of glue, and then these little L brackets to take up the space. So maybe I could reuse these for the new window, but I might have to go get a wood frame, just get some timber and frame it out. And that way, if I could frame it out further a little bit, I'll have a connection point for the new wall, or put the wall back on. So we'll see. Oh. Damn. Total mess in here. Alright, so here I got this magic eraser thing that I used to get rid of my decals. So, to get rid of the sticky glue and the rest of the sealant, see if it'll work. Alright, so I cleaned up really nice. That wheel didn't do anything but nothing. And the Goo Gone, good old Goo Gone, got it out of there. So yeah, I did that, cleaned up around the whole perimeter and wiped down everything, swept underneath this bed plank. So yeah, now just, the annoying part's over and now the intimidating part is here. So I pretty much think I have to just lop out some of these corners to get it to sit in there. So let me just like line it up, see what's going on. Alright, so we got the rough, and I like mean rough measurements. Pretty much just gonna lop off, like I said, each corner. And then it's like, there's like a lot of overhang on these things, which is good, because these are really round corners and then the ones I'm putting in are sharp. So with this, with the backing of the shades, should suck in all that gap, and I'm still gonna go to the hardware store and get some lumber. Okay, so next on the list, I'm just gonna mark out where to cut for the new frame. And then I think I can just get real thin, I don't know, half-inch cuts around here to frame it, and then construction adhesive glue it so there's not any play. And then I think, seal that in there, then I think the whole window mechanism is gonna work perfect. So let's get to it. Alright, now the quick Home Depot run. My only vehicle. So we gotta bike it sometimes when I got it all messed up. So yeah, let me go ahead and cut that piece of wood into a frame. And then that's gonna cinch up between the wall, the fiberglass wall, and the inner wall. And then that's enough space for the window to clamp on each side. So then we'll just silicone it, clamp it, and we should be good. Alright, so here's the frame. Just gonna wood glue it and nail it, and then I'll do the construction adhesive and get it into place. All right, so here is the frame. So let me get this glued down. Then I get the wall in there and glue that as well. And then I'm just gonna use the window to clamp all this stuff together. And hopefully that'll be that. Or just get this all glued up and we'll clamp the wall on for a little bit. Yeah, so let me just sit this for a little bit, clean up before my partner gets home. Okay, so yeah, they have this inner channel for all your caulking. So we'll get this all in there and slide it in. Okay, so the idea is this cinches both walls together and hopefully it'll seal it all up. Okay. Yeah, looks good. I think we did it. All right, so yeah, we're in. It's super solid. It's gonna work. So all right, I'm just gonna do the bead around the outside trim. And then start cleaning up and start piecing stuff back together. But yeah, any of you could have seen how upset I was about this and actually how relatively easy this was to do. I'm super excited that it's all working out. I got this window for 200 bucks off eBay. And funny enough, it came from Pittsburgh, where I was just at, like literally same neighborhood I was in, essentially. So I could have picked it up there if I was doing my research and not just visiting family and all that, getting that stuff sorted out. So yeah, 200 bucks. Dometic window, S4. And it's cool that I have the shades and everything now too. And I got to clean underneath the bunk area because that was disgusting. So I'll fix all that up a little bit too. So all in all, this is like not bad. I got stuff out of it after being like devastated. So yeah, I don't know how, just appreciate what you got going on in the moment. Things work out sometimes. Okay, now to cut a new bottom piece for this rotted out thing. I gotta be quick though, because it's Lord of the Rings night and I only run out of daylight. So I'll see if I just can't get this in there real quick. Okay, traced out. Time to cut it out. Should be pretty good. Sand it down a little bit. for the final, whatever, most satisfying part of the whole install. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks great. It's up to the inner ones to do. We'll do that later. Yeah, it's super solid. Been on a couple trips to work in it. Nice. Okay, so in the bunk, pretty easy. Push a little button in, twist them. Boom. Boom. Then you got the screen comes down. Nice and easy. Blackout. Everything's brand new and smooth. Love it. Now I'm just about to go in through and get all these little plugs put in there. But not before I get the get off me. Yeah, all said and done, this is a very clean, very nice window. So, thanks for watching. Have a good night.